What is infrastructure as code, IaC? IaC means managing your infrastructure like servers, networks, and databases using code instead of manual clicks. Think of it like version controlling your entire data center using files written in YAML or HCL. Once defined, your infra setup becomes reusable, testable, and automatable. Tools like Terraform, CloudFormation, and Ansible makes it real just like DevOps needs. Question: why do we need IaC? Number 1. Consistency. Same infra across dev, test, and prod. No works on my machine drama. Number 2. Speed. Spins up complete environment in minutes, not hours. Critical for CI/CD. Number 3. Version control. Track every change with Git. Can roll back if needed. Number 4. Eliminates human error. No misclicks. Every config is written, reviewed, and validated. Number 5. Scalability. Clone infra in seconds. Add nodes, replicate regions, and that gives zero manual effort. And number 6. Audit and compliance. Every change is logged. Great for security teams and regulated industries. In short, IaC brings speed, safety, and control to modern infrastructure. It's the backbone of any serious DevOps pipeline. Save this if you're preparing for interviews. Follow us at Skillfyme for more no-fluff DevOps prep.